here's a small public service message from ToffeeTV to all of you. We fast all month long, dedicating ourselves to prayer and practice to become better people with tolerance, discipline, and self-control. We also fast all month long to empathize with those less fortunate and sacrifice little things so everyone can have a little more. The idea is to continue what we've practiced all month long, even after the month of Ramadan ends. In case you're wondering, Ramadan is Arabic, while Ramzan is Urdu. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan. Eid means celebration or festival, Ul means the, and Fitr means breaking the fast. Eid al-Fitr literally means celebration of the breaking of the fast, a festive occasion that helps Muslims around the world mark the end of the month of Ramadan. Because of COVID-19, this year's Ramadan was slightly different, and this year's Eid celebrations will also be different. But you know what? There is no excuse why we still can't be good. No excuse why we still can't share. And no reason why we can't empathize. On this Eid al-Fitr, let's share the food, the love, the laughter, and the fun. Let's also share the burdens, the worries, the sadness, and the losses. Let's be kind, caring, understanding, and forgiving. Distance doesn't mean we can't support each other. COVID-19 just forces us to celebrate, share, meet and greet in a different way. Be safe. Stay safe. Eid Mubarak. There's always something new at ToffeeTV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com